upcoming Lok Sabha elections, Kalaburagi, also known as Gulbarga, emerges as a pivotal constituency in Karnataka. Currently represented by Bharatiya Janata Party's Umesh Yadav, it is a reserved seat for scheduled castes and holds historical significance. Dr. Umesh Yadav retains the BJP ticket while Radhakrishna Doddamani, son-in-law of Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge, is contesting for the Indian National Congress. Kharge had won the seat twice before losing it in 2019. Radhakrishna Doddamani is a trustee of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College and director of various companies and stands as a significant contender. With the demographic makeup of 65% rural and 35% urban, Gulbarga has a mixed crowd. Scheduled caste constitute 24.1% of the electorate, while scheduled tribes account for 3%. The region includes 70% Hindus, 20% Muslims, and 10% other communities. Like, comment, and subscribe to Daily Solar Digital for more such updates.